Sometimes you need to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. But nothing will sideline your adventures as quickly as a roadside accident. That's why we've made the Stealth Roadside Kit, an expertly curated collection of emergency preparedness tools designed to get you back on the road safely no matter what happens. Most emergency kits are filled with tons of cheap gadgets. We here at DMOS, makers of the world's best pro shovel tools, think differently. That's why we've worked closely with veteran first responders to create a kit of roadside recovery essentials that are proven and tested gear. At the core of the kit is the DMOS Stealth Shovel, a lightweight, compact, but full-size shovel made right here in the USA. Rounding out the emergency system are best-in-class components that each fill an essential function. A lithium-ion battery charger for jump-starting your dead vehicle, a power flare for traffic signaling, elk skin gloves to protect your hands from the elements, a bright, lightweight headlamp, and a handy work cloth to ensure your gear gets put away properly. But even the best gear won't help you if it's too bulky to keep with you. So we made sure the whole kit fits in a sleek carrying bag, perfect for storing in your trunk or using the attached MOLLE-compatible straps to mount anywhere. So make sure when you get out there, you never have to wait for help. Get DMOS' Stealth Roadside Kit, essential tools to save the day.